Got the baddest bitch in the city, so don't fuck around. Know them hoes is out to get me, they don't hold me down. Know me now, act like you don't know me now. Let my bitch off the purse, she get 100 rounds. 100 rounds, hold me down.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I don't want to waste no time, so let's just get straight into this video. I'm going to be taking my lace tint spray by Wiggle Rules, and this is in the shade Caramel Fabre, I believe, and I'm gonna apply it evenly across my whole lace. In this video I applied it on the dome head. Usually I would take the wig off and spray it like that, but for some reason I've been seeing this method around this time that I really wanted to try, so I just applied it straight on. I do want y'all to be very careful when using lace tint, because if you do not apply it evenly, it will have transparent spots on it. That is if you're starting from a transparent frontal or whatever the case may be. If you leave spots, it's going to leave a transparent patch, which is going to make it look very ashy, and you're going to have to use makeup or more lace tint to cover it, and who wants to deal with that? So make sure you apply it evenly as possible. Now I'm just prepping the wig, pressing out the edges. Y'all know me, I hate messy installs, I hate flyaways, so I just want to give the most cleanest install possible. So I'm just gonna make sure that I literally press out anything I can and make it as flat as I can. And as you can see, I'm gonna take it part by part by part, because I don't need no lumps and bumps. And even though we're doing like a curly kind of hairstyle, I don't need those bad vibes. I don't need no bumpy, humpy, helmet looking wig. So y'all already know I'm gonna take my time and go through it. And the Sebastian Shaper Plus spray that I use is actually really good. I actually use, well, you can like go between the Shaper Plus and the regular Sebastian Shaper. It doesn't really matter, just the Plus has more hold depending on what you want to use it for, which what makes one better than the other. But in this video I used the Plus and it held very well. So now we're about to get into this curling. I don't want to talk y'all heads off, so enjoy the rest of the video. Alright y'all, thank you for watching this video. I hope y'all enjoyed this tutorial and this final look. This is for all my girls who like the super natural, short, classy looking styles. This one was for y'all. Other than that, like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, loves.
Baddest bitch in the city, so don't fuck around. Know them hoes is out to get me, they don't hold me down.